They just are not informed or perhaps educated about the Black community and African American culture. Now, in terms of implementing a workshop or a seminar, remember, teenagers today are struggling with very different issues than when we were growing up. The world has become a more dangerous, more competitive, and a somewhat more insensitive place. Granted, times have certainly changed. They have gotten better in many ways. Yet bear in mind that we never had to walk through a metal detector or put our book bags through an x-ray machine just to go to school. Whatever facility you use, whether it's a gymnasium or a recreational community center, a church basement, or whatever, think about putting up posters around the room. It can be of athletes, of musicians, Hollywood stars, whatever, anything that might generate inclusiveness and a sense of unity amongst the group. I like to start with an exercise I call discovery. Begin this segment by asking the teenagers to give examples of racism. List their examples on a chalkboard if you're in a classroom, or newsprint that you might have set up on an easel stand like a flip chart. Whatever works for you. After putting together the list, go through one item at a time. Ask the teenagers to raise their hands if they have personally felt that kind of racism. This gets them thinking about the impact of racism right away, and also, what does this impact have on our lives? Or maybe it'll get them thinking about perhaps there are other factors or perceptions that influence what may or may not be racially motivated. Okay, it's important to get into boundaries soon into the program. Here's an exercise you can do to help explain the concept of boundaries. I call it dare to cross. Have all the teenagers pair up. They're good partners. If somebody lacks a partner, you as the leader, the facilitator, go ahead and join them as their partner. Now tell the partners to stand facing each other, however, on opposite sides of the room. Tell one group to walk towards the other. Explain that the stationary partner may say stop whenever they feel that the partner walking towards them is too close. Now repeat this process with the other group walking towards their partners. The second part to this is ask for one of the pairs to volunteer. Now, okay, so you can have partners, one partner to volunteer, everyone else in the group will observe. And we're going to repeat this activity. Then tell one partner to walk towards the other, just like before, except now tell them to smile and walk casually towards the other person. And we'll say stop when they feel the partner is too close. Let's towards their partner. Again, make note of where that person is asked to stop. The point you need to make to the teenagers is